Imagine a motorcycle that feels comfortable in daily traffic, confident on highways, and still capable of handling rough roads when the journey gets adventurous. That's exactly where the Suzuki V-Strom SX enters the picture. This bike isn't trying to be extreme. Instead, it focuses on balance, practicality, and real-world usability, which makes it one of the most interesting motorcycles in the 250cc segment today. At first glance, the V-Strom SX clearly carries Suzuki's adventure DNA. The sharp beak-style front, tall stance, and muscular fuel tank give it a proper ADV look, inspired by its bigger V-Strom siblings. LED headlights and a clean, modern design add to its premium feel, making it stand out whether it's parked or moving through city streets. Powering the V-Strom SX is a 249cc single-cylinder oil-cooled engine that produces around 26.5 horsepower and 22.2 Nm of torque. This engine is tuned for smooth and predictable performance rather than aggressive power delivery. In the city, it feels calm and easy to ride, while on highways it offers enough punch for quick overtakes and relaxed cruising. The 6-speed gearbox is smooth, and the oil cooling system helps keep the engine efficient even during long rides or hot weather conditions. What really makes this bike shine is how practical it feels in everyday use. The upright riding position reduces fatigue, the wide handlebar offers good control, and the overall weight feels manageable even for newer riders. With a ground clearance of 205 mm, the V-Strom SX handles speed breakers, potholes, and uneven roads with confidence, which is a big advantage in real riding conditions. Suzuki has also packed this motorcycle with useful features. The fully digital LCD instrument cluster offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to access turn-by-turn navigation, call alerts, message notifications, and ride information through a smartphone app. A USB charging port ensures your devices stay powered on long journeys, while dual-channel ABS adds an extra layer of safety during sudden braking. When it comes to comfort, the suspension setup does a respectable job. The front telescopic forks and rear swing arm suspension are tuned more for touring and city riding than hardcore off-roading. On smooth roads, the ride feels stable and planted, while rough patches are handled decently. However, riders planning extreme off-road trails might find the suspension slightly firm for that purpose. Of course, no motorcycle is perfect. The seat, while comfortable for short to medium rides, can feel firm during very long touring days. Hardcore adventure riders may also wish for longer suspension travel and more aggressive off-road tires. But for most riders who spend time on city roads, highways, and occasional rough terrain, these limitations won't be deal breakers. So who is the Suzuki V-Strom SX really for? It's for riders who want one motorcycle that can do a bit of everything: daily commuting, weekend highway rides, and light adventure trips, without feeling heavy, intimidating, or overly complex. It offers Suzuki's well-known reliability, modern features, and a balanced riding experience that appeals to both beginners and experienced riders. In a market full of aggressive sport bikes and hardcore adventure machines, the Suzuki V-Strom SX stands out by being sensible, versatile, and genuinely enjoyable to ride. It may not be the most powerful or the most extreme bike in its class, but it might just be one of the smartest choices for riders who want freedom on every kind of road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about the Suzuki V-Strom SX, and where would you take it on your next ride?